Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, June 8th, and I am so happy to be back with you. So, boys and girls, today is circle time with Miss Vargas. Yay! I always get excited on Mondays because I get to do a little bit more than the rest of the days with you. So, why don't we begin with our good morning song? Are you boys ready? I can see you. Oh my God, everybody's ready. The listening ears are on. Yes? Okay. So let's begin the right way by saying good morning to each other. Okay. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Now in Spanish, boys and girls. Are you ready? Yes? Okay, let's get started. Okay. Buenos días, buenos días. ¿Cómo están? ¿Cómo están? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? ¿Y usted? Muy bien. Yay. Good job, boys and girls. Well, boys and girls, today I am going to be reading one page of one book. And today we're going to be talking about nonfiction books. What is nonfiction books? We read all kinds of books, but a lot of the times we read fiction books. And what that means is you're reading books that are made up, they're stories, but today we are going to be reading a nonfiction. And what nonfiction means, boys and girls, it is a real story, right? So nonfiction means it's true facts, right? So nonfiction books teach us something. So if we're learning about a firefighter, it teaches us all about firefighters. What do they do? What tools do they need? That's nonfiction because it's teaching us. It usually informs us of things, right? It gives us information. For example, if I need to go to the mall and I need information, what stores they have, I might read about the mall so that I know, oh, do they have the store that I need in there? So I'm going to get information. And also, nonfiction books, they explain things to us. They tell us so that we can know and they give us explanation. Okay? So, for example, if I want to cook something, but I don't know how to do it, they might explain to me step by step how to do something. Okay? So, boys and girls, again, nonfiction means it's a real book, right? I'm going to learn something in this book. And sometimes nonfiction books have real photographs of things, and sometimes I can have some label, right? Sometimes the things are labeled, and you're going to see it in this book that I'm going to share with you today. So I am going to be reading something about jaguars. Do you see? So, boys and girls, you see that I just spoke to you about a photograph? Well, you see the picture? That's a photograph of the jaguar. And you see where I said that sometimes we have labels? This is what label means, right? That means that you're labeling the parts. You see right here? It's labeling the jaguar's ear. So it says ear right next to it, okay? And over here, you see it's telling you that the jaguar has fangs. So it's labeling that part, right? And if I move back over here, you see that it's labeling and it has the tail there and it has the label tail. And then over here, it has the label for the paw. Okay, so that is what labeling means, boys and girls. And today we're going to be learning about jaguars, right? So it's a brief, it's not long, but boys and girls, what I want you to think about as I am reading this to you, what information are we going to learn about the jaguars? So as I'm reading to you, I want you to listen, and I want you to listen for anything that you learned about the jaguar, because at the end, boys and girls, I'm going to ask you, what did you learn? Okay, what new information did we learn about jaguars? Are you all ready? Are those listening ears on? Okay, good job, boys and girls. So jaguars, let's listen. What are we learning? So a jaguar is a big cat that prowls through the jungle. It hunts smaller animals by hiding in the trees and pouncing on them from above. Jaguars also catch fish. They flick them out of the water with their paws. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to read it one more time. Are you ready? A jaguar is a big cat that prowls through the jungle. It hunts smaller animals by hiding in the trees and pouncing on them from above. Jaguars also catch fish. They flick them out of the water with their paws. Good job. Good listening, boys and girls. So now, can anybody raise their hand and tell me one thing that they learned about jaguars? Ooh, I see a lot of hands raised. Yes, go ahead. Tell me. Yes, good job. They hunt smaller animals. Yes, they hunt smaller animals. Good job. Okay, boys and girls, can anybody tell me another fact? Something that they learned about jaguars? Let me see those hands. Oh, it's so hard to choose. Yes, go ahead. Yes, they catch fish. Good job. So, boys and girls, now I have one question for you. How do they catch fish? Which body part did we read in this book that says which body part do they use to catch fish? That's what I want you to do. I want you to send me those videos or send me a message giving me the answer. Which body part does the jaguar use to catch their fish? Okay, boys and girls, I'll be waiting for you. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.